Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam No Internet Connection error when downloading or installing games. So, let's get started. First, open Steam on your PC. In the top left corner, click on Steam, then select Settings. From the left side menu, click on Downloads. Now look for the Clear Download Cache option and click on it. A confirmation message will appear. Click Confirm to continue. Steam will automatically restart, and you'll need to sign into your account again. Once you've logged back in, try downloading or installing your game again, and check if the error is gone. If you're still getting the no internet connection error, don't worry. Let's move on to the second method. Open the Windows search bar, type PowerShell, then right-click on Windows PowerShell and choose Run as Administrator. Now you'll need to run a small PowerShell script. I provided the script in the pinned comment, so simply copy it from there. Go back to the PowerShell window, press Ctrl+V to paste the script, and then press Enter. After running the script, you'll be asked to choose an option. Type 1 and press Enter. Next, you'll need to enter your game's Steam app ID. To find it, open Steam, go to your library, right-click on the game, and select Properties. Open the Updates section, where you'll find the game's app ID. Copy the app ID, paste it into the PowerShell window, and press Enter. The script will now process the changes. This may take a few moments, and Steam may restart automatically once it's finished. After that, restart your computer if needed, then open Steam again and try downloading or installing the game. In most cases, this should resolve the Steam No Internet Connection error and allow your download to continue normally. And that's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more quick and easy tech tutorials. If you're still facing the issue, leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.